Hello, AP Stats students, looking at cumulative practice test number 3. Mr. Eicher here. This is question 21. National park rangers keep data on bears that inhabit their park. Black bears, Battlestar Galactica, and beets. But these are bears. Below is a histogram of the weights of 143 bears measured in a recent year. 143. We have a nice looking histogram here. On the left we see frequency, so those are the counts, how many bears are in each weight category. And our explanatory variable at the bottom, or our one quantitative variable I should say, is weight in pounds. And looking at the answer options, it looks like they want us to be able to tell mean versus median. So before we calculate the median, let's see if we can narrow it down. This looks like a pretty right skewed distribution. The tail is on the right, a little mound even at about the 360 mark. So whatever our answer is, the mean should be bigger than the median, since the mean is pulled into the tail on the right. So let's see which ones of these we can eliminate first. The median is 140, the mean is 180, that looks okay. The mean's 140, 260, 100, 100. Oh, I see, they switched it. So it looks like D and E will not be appropriate because that has the mean being less than the median, and this mean is less than the median. So we can at least ignore those two options. So we narrowed it down to A, B, or C. So I guess we have to calculate the median. Maybe there's a way to estimate it, but let's just calculate and see if we could figure out where it is. So we're told that there are 143 bears. So to find the location of the median, we'd add 1 divided by 2. That would be 144 over 2. So we're looking for the 72nd bear weight when they're ordered lowest to highest, or highest to lowest, I guess. So estimating these heights, there are 6 bears in that category. There's about 18 in this one. There's maybe that's 25 in that one. And then this one's probably 30, maybe 33. And then this one is 16. This one is maybe 6. Okay, so that might be enough. We're looking for the 72nd bear weight. So we have 6, and then we have 18, that's 24 so far, plus 25, that's about 50-ish, 33. At that point, we're surely past the 72nd. So that was 24, 49, 82, if I added right. So 82 bears have weights to the left of this line. So that means somewhere in this bar we crossed over the 72nd bear weight. So it looks like our range would be 140 to 180. So the median is between 140 and 180. So let's check out and see what answer option is 140 to 180. Looks like the first two, A and B, are 140 to 180. And then we have to check out what we think the mean is going to be. So we've narrowed it down to A or B. So do we think the mean will be the 180 to 220 or the 260 to 300? So one way to think of the mean, the 180 to 220, let's look at that. 180 to 220 is right about here. So that's answer A, option A. Compared to this answer, the 260 to 300, 180 to, oh, I see. Sorry, let me backtrack a little bit. Misread my numbers. Alright, I fixed them. So option A, the interval 180 to 220 would be this little fulcrum point there. And then option B, 260 to 300 would be that little fulcrum point there. So which one would the mean, what would be a better guess for the mean? So the way to tell is imagine that this was a scale. And these little triangles that I drew here are balance points. which one do you think would be a better option to try to balance this solid material, this histogram, this solid material here? Which would be better balancing? Well, if you chose this option, it seems like this side would be way too heavy and it would like plonk, like hit the ground, you know, kind of like a teeter-totter, is that what they're called? Like a seesaw, is that what they're called back on the playground? So I don't think B would be a good option for the mean. If we chose this option, though, if we chose option A, it seems like this weight of the object would be roughly the same as this weight of the object. So then it would balance better. So the mean is a balancing point. It's our fair share point. Balance everything out would be every bear has the same mean weight. So option or answer A to number 21 would be the way to go. Thanks for watching this video.